Alright YouTube, this video we have a Defiant brand lock, even though it looks suspiciously like a Defiant branded lock, but of course it does say Schlage there, so I guess it is Schlage. It's come out of a brand new home, and I'll replace these with some electronic deadbolts. Now here's our key. We've got our bidding of 55553 is the bidding on this, but one thing you're going to notice here is just how easy this is to pick, because this is not only construction keyed, it's also master pinned for some reason. So we put the leashy pick in here. You can do this with a regular pick too, or rake, or pretty much anything you could jiggle around in here. But I'll show you real quick here. Get the camera to go ahead and focus. Here we go. And I'm just going to pick number 3, and you notice the lock actually opens. So let me show you why here, and then a quick way to just fix it. The reason for why is because it's master pinned here, and we'll show you that. Get the clip off here, put my finger right here where I don't shoot it across the room. All right, so clips off. Got our hollow follower here, or just 1/2-inch aluminum tube that acts as a hollow follower. Now here's our key pins right here, and it is just 4 5s and a 3 here. And now the real business is going to be upstairs. We go ahead and switch followers to one with a little cutout in it, and we'll go ahead and we'll pull the top pins out. And what we're going to see here is some master wafers here. Oh, that's something else I wanted to show you guys too. Here there is PK balls. I don't know if I can dump them out or not. They're stuck in. This thing is kind of greasy, but may not be able to get them out. But if you see right in here, the little silver thing, that is a PK ball. And before we're done here, I'll get those out. But anyway, that's from the construction keying, which is fine. Now, interesting part, and I don't know why this is this way, but we notice here, chamber 1, we have driver pin and a master wafer. Chamber 2, same thing, master wafer. I just shot that one somewhere, but there it is. Master wafer, driver pin, number 3, all right, 3, no master wafer in 3, 4, another master wafer, and 5, driver pin, and there is a master wafer in there as well. So 4 out of the 5 chambers have master wafers in them, which is why it's so easy to pick. And so we go ahead and just load the drivers back up without the master wafer. And we're just going to be adding not much more pick resistance just because of what this is, but a little bit more. At least there's not multiple shear lines on every position. First one in here. All right. It's funny, when I used to do a lot more residential, commercial stuff here, you build cylinders and whatever, get fast at this. Now I don't do much of this anymore. Transitioned into mostly car keys, but still do some of this. All right, so got the cylinder rebuilt here. The driver pin's loaded up without master wafers. And let me get those PK balls out just so you can see those. All right, grab a little piece of a LED leg. Should be able to dig them out like so. All right, at least got one of them out anyway. Two. So this is what a PK ball is. Tiny, tiny, tiny little ball bearing there. And those are just stacked in one of the chambers. And then when you put the homeowner's key in that's cut shallower, it just pushes these out into the little holes on the side of the plug there. There's still one more in there, but no biggie. But that's perfectly normal for construction keying. Like I said, I'm not sure why the master pins are there, but now that they're not in there, it will be a hair harder to pick. Go ahead and load the bottom pins back in here. All right, so now bottom pins are back in. Switch followers. All right, clip back on here. All right, so now see your key works, and then we've created just a small amount more pick resistance here, not much here, but a little bit more. And then also, I guess, kind of one of the more important things is if somebody actually has a master key to this neighborhood, it's no longer going to work on this house here. So something to think about, I guess, when you got brand new construction. Of course, most of it now is quick-set smart key, and they just changed the keys completely, but all right, so still not much harder to pick, but at least you got to pick more than one spot. So anyway, that's all we got on this one, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments, and talk to everybody later.